to have fun with Kitty and Lou.
Oh, how lovely. Oh dear, oh dear. Are yous okay?
I'm okay.
I do apologise. You're not hurt, are you?
No, not a scratch.
I'm so glad.
Hey, you use really big words.
Do I?
Yeah, like apologise. Why don't you just say sorry?
Oh, I can't say sorry.
Really?
Yeah, I have this friend whose name is Sorry. It gets confusing.
You have a friend called Sorry?
Yeah,
My name's That's.
that's your name, that's. Huh.
Yeah, it's short for That's okay, don't worry about it.
Oh.
Yes?
Hi,
Are you gonna introduce us? Sorry.
That's okay, don't worry about it.
Oh, what is that horrible noise? Lou, are you there? Did you hear that sound?
you mean this sound?
Oh, yeah, that sound. What is it?
It's me! I'm drumming! Woohoo!
Ow! Can you stop, please? Oh my gosh, shingles.
Kitty, I can drum.
No, stop. It makes me feel weird.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Hey, someone's copying me.
oh, Panya! Panya!
Kia ora, Kitty.
I think maybe I'm sick. All this horrible noise makes me feel strange and wobbly. See? What's happening to me?
It's called dancing.
Dancing? Oh no. Is it like a disease?
No, it's wonderful. It's the best thing ever.
Really? Feels weird. Do you dance?
Oh, yeah, of course. See? You just let it happen. Whew, it's natural.
Are you sure?
Oh, yes.
Really? Okay.
There you go.
Are you sure it's not embarrassing?
Not at all.
It does feel quite nice.
Come on. You're dancing.
I'm dancing!
Take it, baby.
Oh,
That's okay, don't worry about it.